Hi, welcome back. I know it's been really long since I've posted any long format content, but I'm back now. I just took shower and I'm gonna do my skincare now. So today is Monday, and on Mondays I don't really have many meetings, so I have a lot of free time, and I decided to take this day as a reset day for me so I can slow down and get back on the track. So I started my day with checking on the emails and noting down some reminders that so I don't forget working on them later. As a life update, I am currently a working student, so I'm doing distance education as well as working a full-time job from home. So it has been really hectic from the past few months actually. So I've been trying to get a balance between my work and my personal life. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon that are mostly like my desk upgrades. I'm spending a lot of time on my desk lately, so I thought it's time for me to upgrade a little. And these are not like major upgrades, but definitely needed ones. So I ordered a little connector for my earphones and my iPad, and a laptop stand, and a mouse that has like dual colors, so you can change the color on the mouse if you want, which is like basically getting two mouse for one mouse price. It's a win-win. I link these products in the description in case you guys want to check them out. So lately I've started writing down the things I'm grateful for every day instead of worrying about what I don't have yet. And honestly, it's changed a lot for me. When I look around, I realize I'm already living a version of the life I once dreamed of. So, and with time, I can keep building it step by step, right? There's no rush. So, make sure to be grateful to what you already have and not whining on things that you don't have yet. You can definitely work on building them up step by step, right? Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you very much for spending this little time with me, and I'll see you in my next one.